Good evening. You're watching the news from the Sultanate of Oman television. First, the headlines. His Excellency the Minister of Health stresses before the Shura Council that there are a number of projects and initiatives to provide a health system with international standards. The workshop of media of the governorates discusses the roles of the Ministry of Information System, institutional and community media so as to contribute in strengthening the media work of the governorates. And a number of regional meetings in Muscat discussed the developments in the field of air navigation and aviation safety. Those were the headlines, and now the news in detail. His Excellency Dr. Hilal bin Ali Al Sabti, Minister of Health, said in a statement before the Shura Council that there are a number of projects and initiatives that the ministry is working on at this stage to provide health care in order to reach a pioneering health system with international standards. The Minister of Health said among the projects is strengthening the decentralization of health services. He indicated that the urgent and specialized needs are being assessed for all the wilayas of the governorate of the Sultanate of Oman to raise the quality of services. His Excellency added that the budget of the strategic stock of medicines and medical supplies has increased to 10 million Omani riyals to ensure their availability. The session was held under the auspices of His Excellency Khalid bin Hilal Al Ma'wali, Chairman of the Shura Council. The Ministry of Information organized a workshop on media of the governorate, which discusses the roles of the Ministry of Information System and institutional and community media in the ways they contribute to strengthening the media work of the governorates, promoting them and attracting tourism and investment, in addition to discussing challenges and finding solutions and enablers. His Excellency Dr. Abdullah bin Nasser al-Harrasi, Minister of Information, stressed that the media of the governorates is an essential element in the media work system in the Sultanate of Oman, indicating that the ministry is committed to empowering the governorates through effective communication and media participation. The opening ceremony was held under the auspices of His Highness Sayyid Marwan bin Turki Al Said, Governor of Dhofar. Meetings of the 20th Middle East Air Navigation Planning and Implementation on Regional Group, Midan Perg, along with the 10th Middle East Regional Aviation Safety Group, RASC Meet, started in Muscat today and will continue till the 17th of May 2023. More details in the following report.
Opportunities and challenges of air navigation and aviation safety, finding scientific solutions to them and exchanging expertise in the field are considered the most prominent of what is being discussed at the 20th meeting of the Middle East Air Navigation Planning and Implementation Regional Group, MIDAM-PERG, and the 10th Middle East Regional Aviation Safety Group, RASGMID meetings, which is hosted by the Sultanate of Oman, represented by the Civil Aviation Authority in cooperation with the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO.
These two meetings come simultaneously together as Oman CAA host to play a vital role in the civil aviation arena. In general, there are around 89 working papers and information papers that will be discussed amongst the 4 days, with the presence of 150 experts and specialized personnel. Altogether will enhance various recommendations that will eventually aspire to the multinational arena and eventually escalating this to the various assemblies at the ICAO level.
The two meetings are attended by around 150 people from 15 countries and about 9 different international organizations, as well as companies specialized in the fields of air navigation and aviation safety, related standards, and the application of air traffic flow management to improve flight efficiency.
First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Sultanate of Oman for hosting this and playing a big and important role in the Middle East region. We are all happy here to be in Oman today, discussing a very important subject that would actually enhance the safety and the air navigation within the mid region. Now, of course, this meetings will discuss an important topics that will concentrate in safety, how to enhance safety, and also how to improve capacity within the air navigation system.
We actually here today to review the work of the subgroups, the results that they had along the last year, and to look at the proposed conclusions and resolutions that they proposed at their subgroups to enhance the aviation safety and to make sure there is more efficient air navigation services provided to the, I would say, the operators at this level.
It's noteworthy of mention that the meetings also focus on the Regional Civil Aviation Safety Plan in the Middle East for the period 2023 through 2025, the national step towards civil aviation safety, and finally the challenges and priorities in airports within the Middle East. The 20th Midamberg and the 10th RASC meetings happening here in the Sultanate of Oman this week come to push forward towards aviation safety and discuss the most prominent factors in the aviation industry regionally. For Oman TV, Ahmed bin Hilal al-Busaidi, Muscat.
His Excellency Khalid bin Hilal al-Ma'wali, Chairman of the Shura Council, received the delegation of the European Parliament for relations with the Arabian Peninsula chaired by Her Excellency Hannah Newman. During the meeting, they exchanged points of view on a number of issues and subjects related to the Parliament on the international level. His Excellency, the Chairman of the Shura Council, praised the efforts and initiatives by the European Parliament in a number of current issues in the region. For her side, Her Excellency stressed on the deep-rooted relations between the Shura Council and the European Parliament, while hailing the role played by the Council in terms of legislative work and international events. His Excellency Dr. Mohammed bin Nasser Al-Zabi, Secretary General of the Ministry of Defense, received General Kim Sang-yoon, Chairman of the Joint Chief of Staff of the Republic of Korea, and the military delegation accompanying him, who is currently visiting the Sultanate of Oman. During the meeting, they discussed a number of issues of common interest between the two sides. Vice Admiral Abdullah bin Khamis Al-Raisi, Chief of Staff of Sultan Armed Forces, also received General Kim Sang-yoon, Chairman of the Joint Chief of Staff of the Republic of Korea, and the military delegation accompanying him. During the meeting, the cordial conversation were exchanged and a number of military issues were discussed, as well as a number of issues of common concern. Still to come in our news bulletin. School students in the Wilaya of Adam come up with an initiative called a Sophia Green Project for Zero Carbon Neutrality. Welcome back to the news from the Sultanate of Oman Television. The Jasur Association signed 5 agreements to implement social investment projects with more than 3 million Omani Riyals within the Social Responsibility Program. The agreements included fields of health, municipality, sports, environment and youth. These projects will be implemented in the governorate of North Batna. The agreements will include the establishment of public park, fish, poultry and meat markets, as well as health facilities in addition to enhancing youth capabilities. The Ministry of Transport, Communications and Information Technology, in cooperation with the follow-up unit of Oman Vision 2040, launched the second phase of Munjam Laboratories with the aim of simplifying the procedures of 120 government services. 10 government institutions divided into 5 laboratories participated in the second phase of Munjam Laboratories at the Oman Oil and Gas Institute. The targeted institutions in the second phase include the Ministry of Transport, Communications and Information Technology, the Public Authority for Social Insurance, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Planning, the Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Innovation, the Public Prosecution, the Ministry of Heritage and Tourism, the Environment Authority, the Ministry of Energy and Minerals, the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Investment Promotion, and the Supreme Judiciary Council. The number of services, the procedures of which were simplified in the first phase of Munjam Laboratories, reached 145 services, and the total service that were simplified out of the total target amounted to 100%. To spread the culture of using sustainable energy within the school and the local community, Safia Al-Mu'mineen School in the Wilaya of Adam in Al-Dakhliya Governorate came up with an initiative called Safia Green Project for Zero Carbon Neutrality in the Wilaya of Adam. More details in the following report.
Taking care of environmental issues and the sustainability of natural resources is among the themes that school students study in their curricula. However, the students of Safiya Al-Mu'mineen School in the Wilaya of Adam have another story. They looked for a way to implement such endeavors on the ground. Then, with the help of their teachers and school administration, they focused on energy management by harnessing solar energy in various applications through an initiative they called Safiya Green Project for Zero Carbon Neutrality.
We are Safiya Green Team. Safiya Green Project for Zero Carbon Neutrality contributes to spread the culture of sustainable development in the school and local community. Our project focused on energy management and the use of solar energy as renewable, clean and sustainable natural energy.
The initiative focuses on converting the school's hallways, such as the canteen shade, into an eco-friendly studying environment equipped with services powered by solar energy. They used such alternative energy in other school facilities to create an attractive learning environment for students.
The aim of our project are using a renewable energy to water trees, increase the green area in the school, making use of recycling garbage, providing attraction and motivate learning atmosphere. The project aspects are water management, gardening, renewable energy, waste management.
I am a student who learned from this project, Safiya Green Schools Initiative, from attending classes in the Green Safiya recreational area. It is a place to have fun during breaks in between lessons. It is considered to be a safe and clean area because it uses natural resources and solar energy.
In an important step to invest this idea to spread the culture of using sustainable energy in the local community, the students implemented a plantation initiative in one of the tourist places in Wilaya of Adam. They also installed some lighting poles powered by solar energy. Such genuine drives reflect the true essence of students' responsibility and eagerness to take part in building a sustainable and healthy environment for all. صالح الخلفان الرحبي, ولاية of Adam, الداخلية, Governorate.
This is the Sultanate of Oman television. Before we end tonight's bulletin, here are the main points once again. His Excellency the Minister of Health stresses before the Shura Council that there are a number of projects and initiatives to provide a health system with international standards. The workshop on media of the Governorate discusses the roles of the Ministry of Information System, institutional and community media so as to contribute in strengthening the media work of the Governorate. And a number of regional meetings in Muscat discussed the development in the field of air navigation and aviation safety. With that, we come to the end of tonight's news bulletin. From all of us here at the studios and the newsroom, it's good night and stay safe.